Okay, so here in our code, we have established two variables, EP and SS. EP stands for electrical pulse, and that pin will be selected in pin number 2 in the Arduino. Our send signal is gonna be to our pin 13 in the Arduino, and that one, pin 13 on the Arduino, has a built-in LED, so we can use that for troubleshooting. On our setup, we established our pin mode EP as an input, so it will be receiving an electrical pulse, and our SS send signal will be configured to output to send a signal once EP receives a signal. Serial begin is just for us to monitor through the Arduino IDE, and in our loop we have serial print read pin EP, which in this case would be pin 2. Delay for 500 milliseconds. Now if the digital read detects a high, follow these instructions. Digital write SS, turn on pin 13, delay for a second, and then turn off after a second, and then delay for one more second again. And this will loop for as long as it has to. So now we upload the code to the Arduino. We don't want to save it now. And then we see that it'll update in a bit. It's compiling. It just uploaded, and then now here in the IDE, I open up the serial monitor, and it's sending a lot of zeros. So right here, I'm just gonna use the 5 voltage here in the Arduino, and I'm gonna send a signal to pin number 2. That is not pin number 2. We get a signal here in the LED, built-in LED, and in our serial monitor, we detect a 1 now. However, once we disconnect pin number 2, we should expect for the signal to be interrupted and start going at 0 again, displaying 0 at the serial monitor. But we don't get that. Our built-in LED is still blinking, so pin 2 is still receiving power. After a while, it'll reset and it'll start going back to 0 again, meaning that pin 2 has stopped receiving a signal. This is an issue that we have to fix.